Ever wondered how long it actually takes to get paid with BeforePay? You're not alone. Let's dive in and find out the real deal. BeforePay is shaking things up in the world of finance, offering businesses a lifeline by getting paid before their invoices are due. Sounds amazing, right? But how long does this magic actually happen? Well, the answer isn't a simple one-size-fits-all. It depends on a few key factors. Your invoice, is it a recurring invoice? A one-off? The system needs to assess the risk, which takes time. Your business history, are you a new startup or a well-established company? A longer track record generally means faster approvals. The invoice amount, larger invoices might require more thorough checks, potentially extending the process. So, what's the typical timeline? Application and approval. This is the initial hurdle. BeforePay needs to review your application and assess the risk associated with your invoice. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a business day. Funding, once approved, the funds are typically released within 24 hours, sometimes even faster. But here's the catch. Not all invoices are eligible. BeforePay has specific criteria for the types of invoices they can fund. Factors like the customer's creditworthiness and the invoice amount play a crucial role. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Improved cash flow. This is the big one. Accessing funds early can significantly improve your cash flow, allowing you to cover expenses, invest in growth, and even take advantage of early payment discounts. Reduced late payments. Chasing late payments can be a real headache. BeforePay takes on the risk, so you don't have to worry about late-paying clients. Faster business growth. With improved cash flow, you can scale your operations more quickly, hire new talent, and seize new opportunities. BeforePay isn't a magic bullet, though. There are fees involved. Just like any financial product, there are fees associated with using BeforePay. These fees can vary depending on the invoice amount and other factors. Not all businesses qualify. As mentioned earlier, BeforePay has specific eligibility criteria. If your business doesn't meet these requirements, you won't be able to use their services. So, is BeforePay right for you? Ultimately, that depends on your specific business needs and financial situation. Carefully weigh the pros and cons, compare fees, and ensure you understand the eligibility criteria before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.